if you're experiencing login issues on SolidGigs, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to SolidGigs customer support for assistance. Provide them with details about your issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on SolidGigs efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from support.